to Katie's Playtime, and so today I'm going to show you how to make a chatterbox. And a chatterbox is so old school, but it's so much fun at the same time. And all you need is scissors, texters, and a piece of paper. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is pick up the corner of your A4 piece of paper and you need to fold it so it's in line with the other edge of the A4 piece of paper. So then that way you're creating a nice triangle and a nice rectangle. So there's my rectangle and there's my triangle. I'm now going to use my scissors and cut that rectangle off. So just cutting a nice straight line, as straight as we can. Okay, so now we have a triangle. Now when we open it up, we'll have a perfect square. So we're going to fold each corner into the center of the square piece of paper and just work your way all the way around as neat as you can. And then we're going to flip it and we're going to do it again. Then once we've done that, we're now going to halve it again. So we're going to make another rectangle. So it will look like this. And then we can put our fingers in these square bits. So you can see there's like square pockets. So that's where our fingers go. And the inside is where all our writing goes. So popping our fingers into the square bits on each side. You've got to force it a little bit. And then there's our chatterbox. Chatterbox. So now let's get coloring. So now that we know that our fingers go under the square bits, we know that these are the tops. So when we open it back up, we know that the squares are the first things that we see because that's where our fingers go. So we're going to now color them our favorite colors. So first of all, I'm going to do green on one. So I'm gonna write green. And I'm going to give it a colour. Now you can colour it however you like, but I'm just going to do just a little squiggle because I think it looks quite cool and quite arty. And then I'm going to use pink. You don't have to use textures, you can use crayons if you like. Then I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to use yellow. So on my chatterbox today, I've got yellow, pink, blue, and green. So we're now going to flip it and we're going to put numbers. So I'm going to use a red and I'm going to number it all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's 8 numbers inside my chatterbox. Now I'm going to open each one of these and under each number I'm going to put an activity. So under 8, using my green texter, I'm going to write jump on 1 foot. Then under 7 I'm going to put rub your tummy and head. Then under 6, I'm going to do 5 star jumps. And And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to write lots of different activities under my Chatterbox numbers. So when I do my Chatterbox with my friends, we can then have some fun activities to do. And then once I've written lots of fun activities under my Chatterbox numbers, I'm then going to write in the middle, ha ha ha, because it's a lot of fun and it's a great funny activity to do with friends. Ha 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 ha. And I'm just gonna give it a nice squiggle to give it something pretty. Okay, so let's play the Chatterbox game. So we'll fold that all in and put our fingers underneath the colored bits. And this is the Chatterbox. So when you play this Chatterbox game, basically what you have to do is choose a color. So if you choose the color green, you'll just go G-R-E-E-N. And then that way you get to choose out of these numbers, which will be 1, 2, 5, and 6. So the person who chooses gets to choose a number. So if they choose, say, number 2, you then lift up the flap, and under number 2, it says, do the caterpillar dance. So here I go, doing the caterpillar dance. Okay, so here goes nothing. I've been dared to do the caterpillar dance, and I've not done it before. So wish me luck. It could be an epic fail. I don't even know what caterpillars do. Well, I don't know. I did it, so that was my dare. Cheers, and here's to the next one. Okay, I'm going to do one more before I say goodbye. So I'm going to choose my favorite color, pink. P-I-N-K. I'm going to choose my favorite number, number 8. Jump on one foot. Okay, looks like I'm doing that too. So the last dare of the video is jumping on one foot, which I think I can do pretty well. So let's give it a go. So 1 foot straight, 1 foot up, get your balance and jump. And the trick is you can't have your leg out of here, you gotta have it in here. And it makes it a lot harder. But I'm doing the dare, so I passed it, so we out. Okay, so that was pretty funny, and I can't believe I even did the caterpillar dance. Well, tried to anyway. So I'm sure there's heaps of YouTubers on YouTube that do the caterpillar dance so amazing. But I completely failed, and that was a complete epic fail. So I wonder if you guys can do that caterpillar dance 10 times better than I can, which I'm sure you can. But I hope you liked my video. I hope you like my Chatterbox. Have some fun with your friends. You can write whatever you want in there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.